Heckler Koch G36 is a German assault rifle chambered for the 5.56 x 45 mm NATO cartridge. It was developed by Heckler Koch in the early 1990s to replace the older G3 battle rifle, which fired the larger 7.62 x 51 mm NATO round. The G36 officially entered service with the German Armed Forces Bundeswehr in 1997. It quickly became known for its lightweight construction, modern design, and high reliability, making it a popular choice for military and law enforcement agencies in many countries. The rifle operates using a short-stroke gas piston system with a rotating bolt, a mechanism that is well known for its dependable performance in harsh environments. The standard G36 uses detachable 30-round magazines and has a cyclic rate of fire of approximately 750 rounds per minute. Much of the rifle is constructed from reinforced polymer, which reduces weight while maintaining strength and durability. This makes it easier for soldiers to carry during long missions. One of the G36's most notable features is its modular design. Several variants have been produced, including the standard G36, the shorter G36K carbine, and the compact G36C, which is designed for close-quarters combat. The rifle features a folding stock for improved portability and can be equipped with optical sights, tactical accessories, and an under-barrel grenade launcher. Its ergonomic controls make it easy for both right-handed and left-handed users to operate. The G36 has been adopted by military, police, and special forces units in numerous countries around the world. It has seen combat in conflicts such as Afghanistan, Iraq, and Kosovo, as well as in various peacekeeping operations. The rifle earned a reputation for being lightweight, accurate, and reliable in challenging conditions, including deserts, forests, and cold climates. These qualities helped establish it as one of the most recognizable assault rifles of the modern era. Although the G36 has received widespread praise, it has also faced criticism regarding reduced accuracy during prolonged rapid firing under extreme heat. These concerns led to extensive testing and eventually influenced Germany's decision to replace it with a newer service rifle. Despite this, the G36 continues to serve with many armed forces and law enforcement agencies across the world. Its innovative use of polymer materials, modular design, and reliable operating system have made it an important and influential firearm in modern military history.